welcome again. We got today Redmi 9T microphone not working. Let's try and check that together. This device has never been opened before. I don't know why there is no voice recorder. I'm gonna download it first. Alright. Test one. Hello, hello. Test one. Unfortunately, there is no sound. Alright, let's remove the SIM card tray first. After that, we are going to detach the frame from the housing. There is no screws for this model. Also, we don't have fingerprint sensor or flex cable at the back. Alright, this is the Redmi 9T. You can use any plastic tool or you can use your fingernail. Removing the back is very easy in this model because we don't have anything to be worried about. The back should be removed easily, but we have one thing. It's the fingerprint flex cable. It's connected to the power button. Okay, I forgot about that. We have a flex cable for this device. It's on the left side when it's on the back. Alright, be careful not to cut or damage that flex cable. You can see me. How cautious am I? Alright, this is the flex tiny cable on the left side. To remove it, we are going to remove the top shield, remove all the screws. I don't want to unplug the power button from the back housing. I can just remove the screws, remove the bracket shield, and then we can unplug that flex cable from its position. I can just remove the loudspeaker from the bottom and just replace the subboard or replace the microphone while the battery is plugged, but I'm always doing the perfect job is to unplug the battery for unnecessary damage could be happened while the battery plugged in. It's power. The battery made power. While there is power, we can make something damaged. Let's unplug the battery. Alright, now we can go to the bottom layer. We can remove all the screws. This is the loudspeaker. We need what's under it. There is a subboard. That subboard connect with too many parts, including charging port and the microphone, the antenna, cellular, etc. Alright, this is the microphone we are going to replace. Unplug the flex cable. Alright, this is the tiny microphone. Flex cable out, zoom in, remove the antenna wire. Now let's remove the subboard from the position. There is adhesive under it, so I'm going to use the heat gun. You can use for 150 Celsius degree for a few seconds. After that, we will be able to remove that subboard. Alright, let's mention something that we can just replace the whole subboard. It's also cheap, but I'm going just to replace that microphone. Alright, you can just replace it with another one and then you can assemble and finish your job. Alright, you can use your heat gun. I'm going to use, because this is the original microphone, for about 426 degree 426 degree to remove that microphone. But when you put the new one, we need to put low soldering paste, so we can decrease the temperature for about 390 or 80 degree. The microphone is very sensitive with the heating, so it could be damaged during the operation. Replacing a tiny microphone, sometimes it could be noisy because it may never worked from the first attempt, because it's tiny and need to put in small area. It could be damaged during the operation. It could be not connected because we can't see if the pads are connected or not with the soldering. These things could be happened and we can't see it. So I'm done. I'm going to put and install the support to see if the microphone will work or not. Alright, the device has burned on. Let's just wait for the phone to boot up. You can just skip that. Alright, the phone has powered on. Don't cover the earphone area. Seems because we are not putting the screws on there. The sensor is working that something is covering it. So I had to press the volume up to remove that. Alright, put the passcode and go to the voice recorder. You may search it on your phone or you can download it in the App Store. It's up to you, or you can just call somebody while the cellular or the SIM card in. Test 1, test 2, test 3. I'm not gonna lie, it's obvious the microphone didn't work from the first attempt. I'm going to do the second attempt. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Alright, the microphone now is working. The problem has been solved. So it was that tiny microphone got damaged with the customer. We don't know what caused that microphone to be damaged. Sometimes it could be the trace for the microphone could be damaged, so you have to replace the whole support. I'm always try to just replace the microphone or whatever part and then I go up and up. No need just to replace the whole main board. If you got something, you can try to fix the problem. If you can't, you can replace. With this, we were able to fix the problem. That microphone will never just cost you about maybe $0.5. It's about cents. So this is a great job you have done. I lost another microphone, so it's about a $1 cost. Anyway, I'm going to mention something, that this type of microphone you can just take it out from flex cable It's from the charging flex cable of the iPhones. If you have flex cables not working, or the charging not working but the microphone is working, you can just desolder or unsolder, I don't know what the meaning is, the microphone, and it's the same. It's the same microphone of the iPhone. I'm maybe think it's for about the 7 Plus and above. So it's the microphone of the flex cable of the 7 Plus and above. Alright, anyway, we were able to solve this problem. Now we are going to put everything back as it was. I'm going also to mention that this phone has a problem issue with the charging IC power. So I'm going to mention another video in the description if you got the same problem. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to like and support the channel by subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace. Test one. Test one.